Problem with regular gaming laptops is they're quite bulky and heavy, so portability and traveling becomes an issue. Personally, I have also faced lots of issues. Carrying gaming laptops easily around like 2.5 kgs can be very difficult, guys, especially if you're traveling on flights, right? There are chances that your laptop might get damaged also due to rough handling. So gamers keep asking me in my videos like, Vimal bhai, can you suggest us some slim or maybe like thin gaming laptops yet should offer decent level of performance? And this might be the right video for you. Today we actually have a very interesting laptop from Lenovo. This is their all new Slim 5i 13th Gen 2023 laptop, guys, and this is what we'll be unboxing and checking out. It's a powerhouse gaming laptop that is only around 0.88 0.9 inches thickness, yet packs pretty intense GPUs like 4070 on board. Specs are also like very crazy, I would say. You're getting a 16 inches QHD resolution, 240Hz IPS level display, powered by Intel's 13th Gen platform like i7 is there. And as I've told you, GPUs, guys, 4078 GB 140 watt TGP variant, plus lots of other features which we'll be checking out in this video. So let's quickly get started with the unboxing. Now, to be honest, guys, there's nothing much to unbox over here. Very simple packaging. You have the Lenovo Legion branding on the front, and as I've told you, model we'll be checking out today is their all new 2023 edition Slim 5i 13th Gen variant, and this is available in lots of variants. You get i5 edition, i7 edition is there, 4050 to 4070, lots of variants are available. Today in the house we particularly have the 13th Gen i7 variant paired with an RTX 4070 and has 32 GB RAM and also 1 TB PCI Gen 4 SSD. Pretty top notch specs, I would say. So in the package you only get your brand new laptop, and along with that you're getting a slim power adapter as well and a mains card. Power adapter is 230 watt rated and is also like pretty slim, I would say, easy to carry along with your laptop. So what I'll do is I'll give you like a closer look at the laptop and talk about the design and build quality first. So this is how our brand new Legion Slim 5i 2023 laptop looks like. Available in two different colors. We have the Storm Grey edition, and first of all, talking about the design and looks, very beautiful looking design, very minimalistic and clean sort of look. I'm pretty sure creators and professionals are gonna love it. There is no RGB, no fancy stuff going on over here, just the Lenovo logo and says Legion at the top left corner. Build quality is also nice. It's like a mix between metal and plastic chassis, I would say, and compared to a regular gaming laptop, this is definitely quite slim. It's only around 0.88 inches, but not the lightest in this category, guys. Despite the name slim gaming laptop, easily weighs around 2.4 kgs in the hand. Anyways, let me give you a closer look and show you all the available I/O connectivity ports on this model. Starting off from the left side, this one is your exhaust vent, and followed by you have two Type-C ports, and one of them even supports USB power delivery fast charging, followed by a 3.5mm audio jack is there. There is nothing on the front profile, and to the right side here you have some more ports which include this one is again your exhaust vent. A privacy e-shutter is also available for the webcam. Definitely appreciate this, Lenovo. And lastly, an SD card reader is also available. And the remaining ports are present at the back profile of the laptop. I really wish, Lenovo should have given USB Type A ports on the left or right profile also. Would have been quite convenient, I would say. Two Type A USB ports are available, super speed ports. One Ethernet LAN port is also there. Full-sized HDMI is available. And lastly, this one is your DC port to connect your power adapter. So these were all the available I/O connectivity ports on this model, and here's how the bottom profile of the laptop looks like. There's a large cutout and air intake for dual fan cooling system on board with a dust filter included as well. And you see these tiny grills on the left and right profile. These are your down-firing stereo speakers powered by Nahimic Audio. And talking about the upgradability part, both RAM and storage are upgradable. So that was basically about the exterior part. What I'll do is I'll quickly open up the laptop and show you how the interiors of the Slim 5i look like. And there you go, here's how the laptop looks like. As soon as you open it, right, it automatically powers on as well. That feature is there. Very beautiful looking design. I mean, especially the display area, guys. Look at the bezels. Super slim bezels on the side, top and bottom area as well. You have a neat Legion logo on the bottom profile. And at the top, you have a full HD webcam, which also comes with a privacy e-shutter function as well. We'll come and anyhow talk about the display panel quality on board anyhow in a moment. Let me give you a closer look and talk about the keyboard and touchpad as well. You're getting a full-sized 4-zone RGB LED backlit chiclet keyboard, and quality of the keyboard is very good. I mean, it's a Legion series laptop, nothing less to expect over here. It's very comfortable. I've been using it for the last few days, right? Quality of the keys is nice. Key cap quality is good. On top of that, you're getting a very nice curved design keycaps, right? Which feel very comfortable when you're actually typing. And on top of that, it offers offers 1.5mm key travel, perfect for day-to-day sort of usage. And yes, it supports 100% anti-ghosting as well. So gamers are gonna have a blast over here. Talking about the customization, plenty of RGB lighting customization is there. I think you have a couple of modes to choose from, 4 or 5 different modes are there, and you can easily access them either from your keyboard shortcuts only or Lenovo's own Legion software. Now moving over to the touchpad is also very good. You're getting a large size premium quality touchpad, and it was easily recognizing all my inputs and gestures, didn't face any sorts of dead zones anywhere, and quality of the integrated buttons are also nice, felt tactile and clicky. Moving on, let's talk about the main aspects of this laptop. Starting off with the display. How is the display actually? First of all, let me tell you, Legion Slim 5i comes with multiple display variants, guys. Base variant comes with a 1080p resolution and has only 45% NTSC color gamut range, so definitely keep this point in mind. Our particular variant is like a high-end variant, right? So this one actually features Quad HD resolution in a widescreen format. Resolution is 2560 by 1600 and it's an IPS display. Plus this one supports 100% sRGB color gamut. And on top of that, main highlight of this panel is it's got an insanely high 240 Hz high refresh rate support with 3 millisecond response time. So gamers are gonna have a blast. On top of that, it also supports NVIDIA G-Sync as well and has anti-glare coating as well. I've been using this laptop for the last couple of days and display quality is absolutely beautiful, guys. I mean, Lenovo Legion series gaming laptops offer really good displays. Not just this particular variant, I've tested their regular Region Pro as well, right? Very satisfying quality display, excellent amount of detail, Quad HD resolution at 16 inches, everything looks crisp and clear no matter what sort of content you're watching, either it be text on websites, movies, TV shows, or even gaming related content. Talking about the colors were also very good. In fact, the display is actually X-Rite Pantone validated, so it is producing accurate colors, color accuracy, color reproduction, everything were on point, and vivid and beautiful looking colors is what I can say. Brightness of the panel is also really good. Our particular variant supports up to like 500 nits of brightness and is like plenty for day-to-day usage, guys. You can easily use it even in outdoor sort of situations, and viewing angles are also very good, again thanks to its IPS level panel. And overall now you'll be like very happy and satisfied with the display quality that you're getting for the price point. And let me tell you about the speaker quality as well. You're getting stereo speakers powered by Nahimic Audio and speaker quality was fine. You people know, right, we do a lot of gaming PC build videos on the channel. Almost every week you get to see something interesting. Lately I've been getting a lot of comments from you people. I mean, nothing fancy to talk about. It was kind of okay, I would say. Good amount of detail, everything was like crisp and clear, dialogue clarity was also nice, and output also reasonably fine, I would say. Though if you want to truly enjoy gaming experience, I would definitely recommend you to use headphones or maybe like external solution for best possible results. Now let's finally jump into the performance and talk about the configuration and what can you expect on this particular variant. First of all, let me tell you about the specs. Display though I've already told you, right? Let's directly jump into the hardware. First of all, our particular variant is powered by Intel's 13th gen platform, and this one is a i7 variant, guys. You're getting 13700H, which is a 14 core 20 thread monster CPU with a max turbo clock of up to 5 GHz. Now pair that with NVIDIA's RTX 4070 with up to 8 GB GDDR6 VRAM. On top of that, this is a 140 watt variant TGP GPU, guys. So pretty solid GPU, I'd say, for a thin and compact gaming laptop. Pair that with like 32 gigs of RAM 16x2, and lastly 1 TB PCI Gen 4 SSD is also there. And let me tell you, there is nothing less you can expect, guys, in terms of performance. Top notch performance, I would say, especially for this category of thin gaming laptop. It's suitable for both creators and gamers as well, especially if you're doing some creative applications, maybe Adobe Photoshop, Premiere Pro. Easily it can handle all of these sort of tasks. I even ran like in the background half a dozen Edge tabs open along with photo editing on Photoshop, and I had no issues, guys. Everything was running really good over here. Plus it's also very good for your 2K and basic 4K video editing as well. Now moving on, let me quickly show you the gaming performance. I'm pretty sure all the gamers out there are waiting for the benchmarks part, right? Especially considering it's a thin category gaming laptop. So I played like a couple of games including Spider-Man, Far Cry, and also Shadow of the Tomb Raider. Right now we're playing Spider-Man Remastered on PC. I've tested this game at different resolutions, at 1080p resolution, its native Quad HD resolution, and also with ray tracing and DLSS on and off also. So in this first test we are playing the game at 1080p resolution and all the graphics are set to very high preset. Ray tracing and DLSS is off, off, no upscaling method is used, and there you go. As you can see, on an average we were getting around 120 125 fps on an average, guys. Triple digit fps, I would say. Excellent gaming performance, I would say, especially at 1080p resolution. Game was running like butter smooth on this system. And not just the performance part, keep an eye on the thermal performance as well. You're getting a dual fan cooling system on board, right? And thermal performance was actually pretty decent considering it's a thin and slim category laptop. On an average CPU, even after playing for like 1.5 hour, it was idling only around like 80 degrees centigrade, which is quite acceptable for a gaming laptop category, guys. You can even use like an external cooling pad cooling solution to bring down the temperatures by up to 5 or 6 degrees, so that will also definitely help. Not just the CPU, even the GPU's thermals were well under control. That was also fluctuating around 80-82 degrees centigrade during the entire testing session. Moving on, now let's check out the ray tracing and DLSS performance. Can this laptop actually play games at ray tracing? So in this test we are playing the game at 1080p resolution, very high graphics preset, and ray tracing also enabled. Again, keep in mind DLSS is off, no upscaling method, and on an average we were getting around 60-65 fps, guys, and in certain scenes it was going up to like 70 fps. So there is definitely a huge drop in the performance, but again complemented with those beautiful ray traced graphics, so this was expected considering it's a laptop. Still very much playable, I would say. 60 fps is quite smooth here. Though not to miss out, DLSS has still not been enabled, so let's quickly enable DLSS, and there you go, DLSS has been enabled at 1080p resolution and keeping all the graphics settings same as before, and we can definitely see some slight improvement. Almost 20 fps improvement is there. Previously we were getting around like 60-65 fps average, right? Now we are getting almost like 75-78 fps, so decent improvement. But I would say DLSS performance is much more noticeable at higher resolutions, guys, you know, at 2K 4K resolutions only. Anyways, moving on, let's also quickly put a gaming performance test at its native quad HD resolution as well, 2560 by 1600. Okay, on an average, as you can see, we were playing the game at very high graphics preset at its native resolution with ray tracing and DLSS off, and we were getting around 100 fps on an average, guys. So pretty nice performance, I would say. I was not actually expecting this kind of results from this slim category gaming laptop. Lenovo has done a very good job with both the hardware optimization and also thermals as well. Well, that is pretty much it. Time to wrap it up. Our video on Lenovo's all new Legion Slim 5i 13th gen gaming laptop. It's a beautiful looking laptop in this metallic grey sort of finish. 180-degree hinge is also there. Excellent quad HD display you're getting with up to 240Hz refresh rate, NVIDIA G-Sync support, and not to miss out, top-notch hardware and gaming performance on this variant. Only thing if I had to say is audio quality of the speakers could have been better, and I wish it had little more I/O connectivity ports, especially on the left and right side profile. And also weight of the laptop could have been slightly lower, guys, considering it's a slim category laptop. Anyways, as I've told you, pricing of this gaming laptop starts at around 1.29 lakh rupees for the i5 variant. I'll leave links for all of these in the description box below. You can check it out there. If you all enjoyed watching it, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.